Hi guys, today we are discussing UGC Net Economics 2019 questions 20, 21, 22 paper with explanation. 20 question. A foreign exchange risk involves the transition exposure, the accounting exposure and the economic exposure. The different type of exchange risk: transition exposure, translation exposure, economic exposure. Okay, അപ്പോൾ ഈ 20 questions ചോദിച്ചത് this related to exchange risk, that there are different type of exchange risk. First of all, transition exposure, and then accounting exposure or translation exposure, and then again economic exposure. Okay, and again next one, exchange rate. What do you mean by exchange rate? The price of one currency in terms of the other currency is known as exchange rate. Transition exposure: the level of uncertainty business involved in international trade face. Specifically, it is the risk that currency exchange rate will fluctuate after a firm has already undertaken a financial obligation. Next one, translation exposure. Translation exposure, also known as translation risk. It is the risk that a company's equities, asset, liabilities or income will change in value as a result of exchange rate changes. This occurs when a firm denominates a portion of its equities, assets, liabilities or income in a foreign currency. Next one, economic exposure. Economic exposure is a type of foreign exchange exposure caused by the effect of unexpected currency fluctuations on a company's future cash flows, foreign investment and earnings. Companies can adjust against unexpected currency fluctuations by investing in foreign exchange tradings. Next question, which of the following is an example of a public goods? Answer, national defense. Okay, അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഇതിൻ്റെ explanation നോക്കാം. There are different type of goods. First of all, public goods, private goods, merit goods. Public goods: some goods are provided by the government to the entire people. It is called public goods. Public goods are those goods that can be consumed simultaneously by everyone. Example of public goods: air, defense, national defense, lighthouse, park, street light. Features of public goods: non-excludable, indivisible, non-triable, free riding problem, marginal cost are zero. There are main features of public goods. First of all, non-excludable, indivisible, non-triable, free riding problem, marginal cost are zero. Next one, private goods. Private goods are those goods that can't be consumed simultaneously by the entire people. Example of private goods: car, food, house. Merits goods. Concept of merits goods given by R.A. Musgrave. Merits goods are those goods which have some positive externalities. Merits goods and services are those goods which are promoted by the government. The government wants to increase the consumption of these goods to increase the welfare of the society. If these goods and services are costly, then government gives subsidy to promote consumption or sometimes provide free of cost to the poor. Example of merits goods: education, low cost housing, vaccination. അപ്പോൾ ഈ 20 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് വളരെയധികം ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ഉള്ളൊരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആണ്. ബിക്കോസ് ഓഫ് ദിസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഇസ് റിപ്പീറ്റഡ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഫോർ UGC exam, UGC economics exam. Next question, which one of the following is not the method of debt redemption? Options: refunding, repudiation, sneaking fund, capital levy. Answer, repudiation. Refunding. അപ്പോൾ ആൻസർ repudiation ആണ്. ബിക്കോസ് ഓഫ് നോട്ട് ദ മെത്തേഡ് ഓഫ് ഡെപ്റ്റ് redemption. First of all, refunding. Refunding of debt implies the issues of new bonds and securities by the government in order to repay the matured loans. In the refunding process, usually short-term securities are replaced by issuing long-term securities. Next one, capital levy. Capital levy is strongly recommended by Dalton as a method of debt redemption with the least real burden on the society. Least real burden on the society. Capital levy refers to a very heavy tax on property and wealth. It is once for all tax on the capital assets and estates. Next one, sneaking fund. By this method, the government creates a separate fund is called sneaking fund for the purpose of repaying public debt. This is considered as the best method of redemption. ഇന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്ത രണ്ട് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് പബ്ലിക് ഫിനാൻസ് എന്നുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. രണ്ടും വളരെയധികം പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. ബിക്കോസ് എല്ലാ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് എക്കണോമിക്സ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറിലും ഡയറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ടും ഇൻഡയറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ടും ചോദിക്കുന്ന രണ്ട് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ഇവിടെ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തതെന്ന്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ മാക്സിമം അതിന്റെ കൺസെപ്റ്റ് ക്ലിയർ ആയിട്ട് മനസ്സിലാക്കി വയ്ക്കുക. ഓക്കെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, താങ്ക് യു.